In this video, we will show you how to replace your inside door handle. Let's get started. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. We'll find the inside door handle and continue on right on the inside here. Use a small pocket screwdriver. You're going to find a trap door. Carefully get in between this area and remove it. You'll see that you have 2 locking clips on that. Just give it a quick inspection and set it aside. Behind that, you're going to find that you have a T27 head screw right here. It's essentially shaped like a star. Let's remove this. Now let's continue on with a plastic trim tool. Along the top and bottom of this inside handle, there's going to be 2 locking tabs. One approximately right here, and another right there as far as the top. Let's carefully use that trim tool and try to get in between this area, gently separating it. Once you have it off of there, you should be able to pull it right off. We'll have a look at the back. You can see those locking tabs. There it is, friends. Let's install our inside door handle. Slide it into position. Once you have it in place, continue on with your 1 T27 mounting bolt. Make sure it's nice and tight. Put on your plastic trap door. Okay friends, we've got the inside door handle installed. At this point, let's test its functionality. We'll do this without actually fully closing the door. Just use a small extension like this and come right inside the door latch. By pressing in the center, that essentially tells the door latch that it's up against the striker and it believes it's in the closed position. Now I'm going to try to put pressure trying to pull this away. While I'm doing that, I'll pull on the inside door handle and make sure it releases. There we are, assuming it released, you know it functions properly. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.